Hi, friend. We have a crier. It's okay. He just threw my camera, so I said don't throw my camera, and he got sad. It's 10:19 and we're just gonna bring you all along today. I've actually been sick for a couple days, and so I've been in bed this whole morning. We woke up about an hour ago, and yeah, we hope you enjoy this video. I've been feeling sick for the past almost week or so, and I haven't been able to get better, and I know it's not COVID, but I haven't been able to get better because I haven't been able to really rest. So
Mama, Mama.
Say, can I have agua, please?
Agua, please.
So we're just gonna bring you along today and see how the day goes. So what do you want to watch?
I want Spider-Man. No, I see somebody. I see somebody.
Brush my teeth. I'm gonna straighten just a little bit of my hair so it's not too frizzy. Since I've been sick, I haven't been feeling motivated, and honestly I feel like I've lost all motivation for stretching, working out, getting this body right, for my business, for posting YouTube videos. And so today I decided to just get up and get things done, and hopefully I feel more motivated and feel better by tomorrow. So I'm about to do this load of laundry. It's been stacking up, so I'm gonna quickly clean up my restroom real quick, and then we're gonna do a load of laundry. My camera died, so we are about like 2 hours later. I put on some press-on nails. I cleaned the restroom. So this is how it looks. I cleaned out the counter and I sprayed the shower. I cleaned the toilet and whatnot. I also vacuumed and cleaned up our room a little bit. So that is how it looks. And I have my son hiding.
I want Spider-Man.
Peekaboo!
I want Spider-Man.
Okay, in a second, love. So he's hiding in there. I also cleaned his bed, and I have my purse here just in case I need to go out. And I wanted to quickly say that you are gonna feel unmotivated. Maybe it might be for just a day or two, sometimes it might be a week or longer, but you have to be there for you. You have to pick up your own self, and there's no one that can force you to get back up. And whether it is cleaning up your room, putting on some nails on, or just having a spa day and taking care of you, you do that. But at the end of the day, you have to remember why you start, why you get up in the mornings. And for me, that is my son and for my future. And if you don't know why you get up in the morning, sit down and take the time to figure that out. That's some advice for you. I also put my laundry in about an hour ago, so I'm waiting on one load of my blankets and sheets, and then I'm gonna put in another load for my darks. So that's what I'm gonna check on right now. I do have some other clothes to bring down. There's the dirty laundry. I have 32 more minutes. I'm having a productive day. I just put the groceries away. I washed the dishes. I have the dishwasher going. That has to go upstairs, and I'm about to make some lunch finally. So I have some barbecue seasoned chicken wings. I'm gonna throw in the oven, as well as some sweet potato fries. Ethan's upstairs eating already, and it is, what time? Where's my phone? It is a 12:51, and after that I think I'm going to figure out my budget while I wait for the food. It's gonna take 18 minutes to cook. I have to flip them in between. I'm just gonna put something on TV and then work out my budget. Ethan's still upstairs. I just finished my budget. I do have to make a video and May's update, and right now I'm still waiting on the food, and I guess I'm gonna go check the laundry. My lunch is ready. We got some honey barbecue wings, some sweet potato fries, barbecue sauce, and ketchup. And then I'm also drinking this pomegranate dragon fruit sparkling water. And I got my little one playing. Hi.
Hi.
And he's having a snack of some strawberries and blueberries. You want to say anything?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to say?
It's my birthday.
When?
It's coming up. It's your birthday tomorrow.
No, my birthday passed. What day is your birthday?
July 3rd.
July 3rd. Good job.
Yeah, it's going up. Your birthday's coming up.
No, your birthday's coming up. My birthday passed already.
Oh, my birthday's not here?
Your birthday's in a month.
A month?
So his mother wants him back?
I'm with Spider-Man fan.
Oh, okay.
I'm with Spider-Man.
Hey guys, it's been probably like 3 hours. I've just been editing as well as watching, but I took a little break and I made a smoothie, and I'm low-key just so lazy right now. I'm sharing with my little one. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to probably just watch, take a break from editing, and then go check on the laundry. It is a couple of hours. I forgot to record again
Because it's such a Mimi.
but this is my niece and my son is right there. We all took a bath already, and we're just waiting for my sister to get here so the kids can see them for a little bit. And I think I'm gonna try to feed Ethan one more time because he didn't eat dinner. He barely ate his dinner actually. He only ate the carrots and his tangerine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Bye guys.